Hi everyone, my name is Esther and today I have a tutorial video for you guys, and this one will be about how to varnish your oil paintings. And there are a couple reasons why you want to varnish your painting. And there are a couple reasons why you want to use varnish. And the simplest one of them, the first one, will be to protect it from dust, dirt and erosion. Second is to elevate the colors, so colors in the painting look more juicy, saturated and deeper. Darks look even more darker and the lights even more lighter. And in general, it's a very satisfying feeling to see your colors pop and come to life. It gives this amazing feeling of a complete work. And the third and the last one will be to unify the reflectivity of the surface of the painting. Because sometimes, especially if I use different mediums and glazes, and sometimes I combine acrylic and oil in one painting because I work in mixed media process, it just has different glow in different spots. So in this case, varnish coat really makes it all feel equally glossy and beautifully consistent through whole surface. And as for materials, you will need to use one big brush, something like this, or even bigger. And it's better if it's soft. Also a varnish, like Damar varnish. There are lots of multiple brands, so you can choose the one that works for you. And you can also use a spray varnish, and this works really well too. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and let me know in the comment section what kind of tutorials you wanna see next. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week. Bye!